Weekdays and weekend, hot and cold, lift off. Listen and write. Listen to the words in the box. Meets, goes, watches, does, takes, teaches, eats, matches, rains. Write them in the table. Meets, 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 goes, 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 watches, watches, is, watches. Now let's complete the list. Does, takes, teaches, eats, matches, rains. Now let's read the words ending with S. Meets, takes, eats. Words ending with Z. Goes, does, rains. Words ending with is. Watches, teaches, matches. Listen to Nina talking about her weekend. Here we have 5 sentences. Write how often she does the things. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never.
Tell me about your life in England, Nina. What do you want to know? Well, what do you do at weekends? We have our weekend on Saturday and Sunday. It's different in Saudi Arabia. Your weekend is on Thursday and Friday. On Saturday, I sometimes go shopping with my friends. Then, on Sunday, I often help my mum in the kitchen. And what do you do in the evenings? I usually do my homework. And I always phone my friend Lisa. She never phones me.
Okay, so 1. Nina goes shopping with her friends on Saturday. 3. Sometimes. 2. She does her homework in the evening. 8. Usually. 3. Lisa phones Nina in the evening. Never. 0. 4. Nina phones Lisa in the evening. Always. 5. She helps her mother on Sunday. Often. Now let's write sentences. 1. Always drink tea morning. We have a woman. She always drinks tea in the morning. Usually play afternoon. We have 2 boys. They usually play in the afternoon. Often rides Saturday. A boy riding his bike. He often rides his bike on Saturday. 4. Sometimes read in the evening. We have a girl. She sometimes reads in the evening. Now it's your turn. What do you do? Mark the table according to what you do every day. I have breakfast in the morning. Always. I eat rice for lunch. Often. I phone my friend in the evening. Sometimes. I watch TV in the afternoon. Usually. I go to school on Fridays. Never. I go shopping at the weekend. Usually. I take photos in the holidays. Always. I play football in the park. Often. I have tea with my lunch. Sometimes I take a bus to school. Never. Now write them in sentences. Write a paragraph about your day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. For example, in the morning I always have breakfast. In the afternoon, I usually watch TV. In the evening, I sometimes phone my friend, and at night, I never play football. Now look at the phrases here. Watch TV, read a book, go for a picnic, play games, meet your friends, help your mother or father. Look at the questions. What do you do in the evenings? In the evenings, I sometimes. In the evening, he usually. Here it's I, and here we have he. For example, you can write, we usually read a book. She usually reads a book. I always meet my friends. He always meets his friends. They sometimes go for a picnic. She sometimes goes for a picnic. You often play games. He often plays games. Now in this video, we read words ending with S, Z and IZ sounds. We listened to arrange activities and we talked about weekend activities.